arrested the people. I said, we don't have them. We go there. Why is he quiet?
Chair. Madam Chair.
Then he likes to talk after he has
going to Uganda.
Why is he quiet here?
Madam Chair.
A moment, Honorable Song, let him respond. The person who's in charge, counter-terrorism, please respond. A moment, let him first respond.
Chair, I thought you had said that we have no time, we need to have public
Honorable
service.
colleagues, let him respond to this one and we close.
In this when we had issues of accountability that are pending on this box, Chair.
No, this is accountability, Honorable. This is accountability. With due respect, it's accountability.
The next one because the other
counter, a moment, let counter respond.
Yeah, let's wait. Let's go to
counter, please respond.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Yeah, it's true. The bodyguards were attached to mine, but issues of discipline in units are handled by the individual departments. They are charged, then they can be.
Which department is that then?
That is VIPP, which is under me. I'm also going to consult and find.
So
out.
if the IPP is not under you, now you are not aware of the whereabouts of those officers.
I'm going to find out, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair, that's why I wanted you
Madam Chair, protect the officer when he's responding.
We shall give the feedback.
Madam Chair, some clarification, a small one. Madam Chair, allow. Thank you very much, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, my clarification is simple. And I wanted to hear from Honorable Nandala Mafabi whether he has any information that his bodyguards were paid. And I want to hear from him, why does he the gentleman who was responding, why does he call this one a case of indiscipline when people are asking for their pay?
Supplement that.
Honorable Saungu.
You see, Madam Chair, and Mr. IGP, let us be serious on this matter because the type of people we are talking about, they have oath of allegiance and it's very precedent in the running of their work, but they also have their rights constitutionally. If there is a complaint from them that they are demanding for their payments, the way even others were demanding, those who commanded voting, presiding officers, there must be a way you as the administrators come out to rescue them from their demand. Don't think it was easy to have those policemen moving with us throughout the whole country as we are campaigning with the tear gas, also fighting with you because we are looking for power at that time. So any issue dealing with the police officers and there's oath of allegiance, but they are asking for their right, I would pray, whether you talk about VVIP or what, you should take precedent, Mr. IGP, to normalize that challenge. Because the issue with them,
Commandant,
they want their money.
Honorable,
and they fear.
Now let him respond. Sir, what is the update?
Honorable Chair, the payment for that activity comes from Electoral Commission, and even the withdrawal of the teams, it is the Electoral Commission who withdraw them. I beg that I take it up and find out the facts.
No, this is very simple. We have not discharged you as the police. For today, it is a partial discharge. Yeah, you are going to go back. It is a police bond. I'm also, in my own capacity today, I'm giving the IGP a police bond. We need to have a response on that matter, IGP. Kindly follow up. Tomorrow, as we begin the entity, send us somebody to give us a report on that one. Who are we beginning with tomorrow? Consolidated accounts. The finance is going to be here. In the morning, before we begin with finance at 10, send us somebody to give us a report on the officers that were the bodyguards. The spokesperson must speak when the IGP, the spokesperson comes in when the IGP gives permission. IGP, have you given permission to your spokesperson to say anything? You are going to send the person tomorrow to give us an update on the officers that we are talking about. We want to thank you. Honorable colleagues, we want to thank you so much. The team this side, we want to thank you so much. We are humble servants this side, but I just want to remind you, you are non-partisan. Very professional, a disciplined force, a Uganda people's force. Uganda, not a personal force to somebody. Meeting is adjourned.
The decision of the Constitutional Court
In fact, Under Secretary, you said you are who? You said is who?
Accounting officer.
You accounting officer.
So his name is accounting officer?
Yes. You see, Chairperson, when Section 32 was annulled by the Constitutional Court as being unconstitutional, government rushed to Parliament and enacted the Public Order Management Act. And in the Public Order Management Act, they reenacted that very same provision. And the matter went back to the Constitutional Court. And still the Constitutional Court nullified it.
Chair.
And the cases are there. So, Chair, police has no authority to stop a public meeting as per the decisions of court. 2 decisions by the Constitutional Court. So the question is very simple. Where do you derive the mandate to purport to give permission to political parties and organizations to hold public meetings? Where do you get that mandate from? Where? And by the way, regulating and stopping are 2 different things. I don't want you to confuse the 2. Regulating, don't construe it denotatively. It is a big mistake. And I say so because, do you know, Chair, that if you want to have a public meeting, if you are in Bujiri, the DPC will tell you to write to the IGP in Kampala.
That's what I have been doing.
Yes, write to the IGP in Kampala. And if you don't have, and by the way, they don't have a received stamp. These people have not received the stamp.
Yes, is that
if you took, no, I'm speaking authoritatively, not ex cathedra. These people, when you take a document to police, Chair, when you take a document to police, you are notifying, okay? They don't have a received stamp. They don't have a received stamp. So when you go back to the DPC, says, bring evidence that you delivered. And they keep tossing you around. Okay? And you know, Chair, I have raised this matter on the floor.
True.
So, I don't know whether now you acquired a security a stamp for receiving documents, because you don't have.
Yes,
so now what happens in practical terms, Chair, is that the DPC will tell you, we've not given you permission. Since when did the police begin giving permission? Because regulating means that if this venue here is not available, okay, you direct me to venue B. Then you always write and say, we don't have enough security to secure your event. Then at that very same security, you deploy thousands to stop the meeting from happening. Why don't you use those ones to provide security for my meeting? Why? Because practically this is what you are doing. So I think, Chair, police cannot be at the forefront of breaking the law. Police cannot be defying the courts. It is to a vest of justice, and as I said, these ones are gatekeepers of human rights. True. They cannot be violating human rights. How can a police be at the forefront of violating human rights? How? So under Secretary, Accounting Officer, the position of the law has changed. And it is my humble prayer that you communicate to your officers. You have powers to regulate, you don't have powers to stop. The 2 are completely different.
Okay. But do you now have a stamp for the documents that you receive?
Yes, ask them.
All we should
ask them.
We should conduct a fundraising. So that
and we can even go.
We talked about regulating assembly and association. Police Act, Section 32 to 34, gives us that authority to regulate assembly and association. Chair,
What does Section 2 say of the Police Act in regard to regulating assembly?
Well, we shall read. They are all here.
Please.
I am saying that as they purport to read Section 32, they should read it